Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Teboho Mokoena has expressed immense pride in the remarkable rise of his longtime teammate and Bafana Bafana captain Ronwen Williams to the pinnacle of South African football. The duo, who began their careers together in the development structures at SuperSport United, have become central figures for both Sundowns and the national team. Reflecting on their shared journey, Mokoena celebrated Williams' resilience and leadership, noting his critical role in propelling Bafana Bafana back to prominence on the African stage, and said he's a good leader. Mokoena was addressing media in Cape Town and said he's a good leader, he doesn't talk much, but when he does, he can be very harsh. He leads by example on and off the field. Honestly, I'm very proud of him and what he has achieved in life. It's motivating for those of us who came through the same ranks with him. Williams' journey has not been without challenges. The 32-year-old goalkeeper made his Bafana Bafana debut on March 4, 2014 under coach Gordon Egersand in a daunting clash against Brazil, which ended in a humbling 5-0 defeat at FNB Stadium. Despite the harsh initiation, Williams' mental strength and support system helped him bounce back. Mokoena said, "I remember his first game. He didn't do well, but look at him now. If he wasn't mentally strong, his career could have been over. The people around him have done an amazing job in supporting him, and that has made a big difference. I'm very proud of him, especially for being nominated for the Ballon d'Or. Who would have thought?" Williams' recent recognition as the ninth best goalkeeper in the world in the 2023 D'Or Yashin Trophy rankings highlights his ascent to international acclaim. While the award ultimately went to Argentina's Emiliano Martinez, Williams' ranking reflects his growing stature in global football. The bond between Mokoena and Williams has been instrumental in Sundowns' domestic dominance and Bafana Bafana's resurgence. Their partnership was evident in South Africa's recent Africa Cup of Nations qualifier against South Sudan at Cape Town Stadium. With a 3-0 victory, Bafana Bafana secured their preparation for the AFCON finals in Morocco. Mokoena contributed to the emphatic win by converting a penalty, further cementing his role as a key player for the national team. Looking ahead, both players are determined to continue their impact on the field with the shared goal of elevating South African football to greater heights, and said, "We want to make history and inspire others. If Ronwen can be ranked among the world's best, why can't more of us follow suit?" As the nation rallies behind them, the duo's journey from SuperSport United Academy to international stardom serves as a testament to hard work, resilience, and unyielding belief in their potential. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.